Most people think great footage requires great equipment. It doesn't. We've spent the past 10 years creating tech reviews, and we've worked with some incredible brands like Apple, Samsung, Xiaomi, Oppo. Not just that, we've also been part of major productions where everything was filmed using just a smartphone. And here's what those 10 years of experience have taught us. The gap between an amateur and a professional isn't the gear, it's knowledge. No more guessing which tutorial to watch, which one fits your specific situation. This course gives you everything you need to know about mobile video production all the way from start to finish in sequential order. This course takes your footage from basic to cinematic. We'll walk you through everything you need to know, not just how to set up your phone for the best footage, but how to light the scene, how to use colors to make people feel something, and how to apply design fundamentals to tie all of it together. All of this while working with equipment that's easily accessible. No prior experience needed, just you, your phone, and your laptop. That's pretty much it. So if you want to take your footage from looking like boring phone footage to actually something you're proud of, definitely check out the course.